Yeah, okay. This sucks. Why am I laying down here? Well, see this right here beside my head? I'm changing the oil on the Heritage. And I go to change the O-ring on said that thing, clutch cable. And yeah, it's broke. And the cable is jacked up. So now I got to get a new one. And I didn't have no gasket, so I got to get one of those. Well, I guess we're getting ready to head out. We got a big loop to check out because I really didn't want to go straight to the local Harley shop and everything. So we're going to go to one little shop that my buddy told me about, and then another one, and then if worse comes to worse, then we'll go to Bud's to find the parts that we need. And hopefully we'll be proficient and I can get everything back together again. And we'll see. And till then, and maybe we'll carry on and show some of these shops out. We'll see. Sushi time. It was a successful trip. I'll have to put where I found these up on the screen. The shop that I went to, I would have brought in the camera and stuff, but I don't know these gentlemen, and you know, some might take offense to bringing in a phone or something and start videotaping around and stuff from somebody they didn't know. We never did make it to the Harley shop, Bud's, that's what they call it. I'm telling you, I guess one day I need to. I would have brought the camera in there, I don't care. But this one I didn't. It was a really cool shop though. They had a lot of new parts and they had some used parts up in there. They had a cool Sportster chopper. Had pipes came way up on it and everything else. It was really cool. Good people. I plan on going there, giving them my business quite a bit. It looks like. Got all my parts right then and there, and good price as far as I know. And so now I can sit here and do this. So I guess I already got my cable ran. The cable that I pulled out and cut it. So I don't know if y'all can see that. It was starting to fray, and it had a really nasty kink in it. And the screw-in part, oh, I don't want to lose those. Just don't shit around. Oh, that's really good. I've already lost. No, there you are. Let me put those up there. There it is. I don't know if y'all can see. Well, there's a little O-ring. That's what was giving me troubles before. It broke off in there. The whole end of that cable broke off. And of course it was just gushing grease all over the place. And I'll show you what it looks like later on. But that's what we're here to fix. So let's get to it. Yeah, I wished I had a stand sitting on this floor. I'm starting to get a little old for this shit. I guess it's better than gravel. I've had to work on bikes at Sportster I worked on laying on the gravel a few times. So we're gonna get this cleaned up and we're gonna take care of this and get it all back together again. Then I'm gonna do the rest of my jobs. All right, I got everything together. It looks a lot better. I put the snap ring where I think it looks the best for me. And my main thing is with anything, clean these up good. Before you go and put that gasket on there, clean them up real good. Make sure that your gasket gets a really good seal on there. That's the best thing I can say. And especially with these chrome parts, and I've stated this again. I'm not a big fan of the chrome. It looks nice, Don't get me wrong, especially with show bikes and all this, but you know, bikes that I ride, I'm just not a fan of it. I like the way it looks, but you know, that don't get you going down the road when it comes down to it. But the main thing is all these edge parts and all that good stuff, make sure that they're good and clean. Make sure that you don't have any abrasions or anything that would cause an oil leak or anything like that. Any foreign bodies or anything like that, because that's the last thing. You go through this much work and you you don't want to leak, man. And so let's get it all back together.
Don't do your family a disservice by buying a vehicle somewhere else. Buy from Gary Davis Private Brand Plus Jeep and know that we have your back.
No. All right, going in. Nope, going in.
Means so much. Come down.
All right, there it is. That wasn't too hard, really. That wasn't hard at all. That's how long it takes to change out your clutch cable, really. And that took a better part of just a few minutes. Hell, it takes me longer getting down here on the floor, to be truthful. I wished I had a nice table. If y'all haven't realized yet, like I turned around, I don't know if y'all can see that. The Sportster is on an actual table. It's a workbench. And so you do what you gotta do, man. But anyway, hopefully I'll get some sort of better stand for these bikes and stuff so I can work on them. But we'll see. Like I said, that's as easy. So, hey, I'll probably end this one and do the next step, stage 2 coming up.